Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to today's panel discussion on a topic of homework for elementary school students. Allow me to introduce myself. I am today's moderator. My name is Handiko. I am from Singkawang and I am teaching in SMK Asoka School. Yeah. So first thing first, let's us introduce our panelists for today. Starting from Miss Afri. May you introduce yourself?
Thank you, Mr. Handiko. Hello, everyone. My name is Afri Lesnora. I'm a English teacher at Islamic Elementary School. I live in Payakumbuh, so I teach in a school there.
Okay, thank you very much, Ms. Afri, for the introduction. Next panelist, Ms. Sulasti, may you introduce yourself?
Okay, hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sulastri Damayati, and I'm from Palembang. And now I am a teacher at the Smalilin Village School. Here I will share my field experience in educating or teaching elementary school children. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Ms. Sulasti, for introducing yourself. The last panelist is Ms. Mala. May you introduce yourself?
Hello everyone, my name is Mal Alana Zulfa. I'm as panelist. I will give you my opinion and my experience about effect too much giving homework for elementary school. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Ms. Mala, for the introduction. That is our three panelists for today's discussion on the topic of too much homework for elementary school students. There's also our dear audience. Let me introduce them. Miss Ferina.
Thank you for inviting me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Verina. I'm a teacher in elementary school in my area. In today's discussion, maybe I'm interested in the topic, and also if possible, I would share my experience and knowledge in this matter. Thank you.
Okay, that is our introduction for the panelists and the audience. Now let's dive right into the discussions. First of all, could you provide us with some insight into the purpose of homework in elementary school education, especially for the elementary school students? Starting with Miss Afri.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity that had given for me. I want to give my opinion about the effect of giving too much homework for elementary school students. Uh, Actually, I'm a teacher and also a parent. So I want to take the experience from my children at home. So when my children have a homework, have a too much homework from the teacher, my children also always says that, oh my God, I can do this too much homework. So my children always complain about that. So as a teacher, I think I disagree that giving too much homework to my student. According to the Clifton B. Parker, a researcher from Stanford University, he says that homework can seriously affect student health. Some effects include the sleep deprivation, exhaust, headache, weight loss, and even stomach problem. From his research, he said that 56 students state that homework is a primary source of stress or depression. So that because homework cutting their free time to play. I think when a teacher give a homework to the student, uh, it's better the teacher take into some consideration. Maybe a teacher give a practical skill, or so the student can do their homework while playing and they feel relaxed. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much for Miss Afri for the insight. Yeah. Next one on the second panelist is Miss Sulasti. Miss Sulasti, can you please give us your opinions about our today's topic discussion?
Okay, thank you. And I same with Miss Afri. I disagree if much homework because why? My opinion, if elementary school children have too much homework given by a teacher, it will have a lot of negative impact. Although homework is designed not to increase student learning motivation and abilities, in reality, homework can be a heavy burden for students and interfere with the quality of their learning. And then too much homework can interfere with their socialization time with friends and people around them. Too much homework also makes students lazy to study at school. Students who feel burdened by homework may consider learning at school as an unnecessary burden, so they do not pay attention to the lesson given in class. Thus, students who focus too much on homework may experience a decline in their academic performance. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you.
Responsibility improving master of the material from school into homes and practicing operation at home, learning to solve problem and practicing using of time and practicing uh, hard work. I think that is all about responsibility student. If the teacher give a homework, but this is I will make underline word, not too much give to student homework. I think that is good for Miss Sulastri. The student will lazy to work homework, but I think that is good. But in other student get and do not lazy to do it, we will give a little homework because that is about responsibility. That is for me.
Okay, thank you very much for all of the opinions from the panelists. We have session. We may open the question and answer session for the audience. Is there any question for the audience? Miss Verena, perhaps?
Yes, yes. I have a question for the panelists, please.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah.
Um,
My question is for the panelist of Miss Sulastri. Miss Sulastri, I have a question for you. Uh, what do you think about the parents' perspective on how can families support their children in managing homework effectively? Can you give us elaboration on it?
Okay, thank you, Miss Verena. From me as a parent, we often notice how our children manage their homework. They often have difficulty organizing their time and priorities and face pressure from various sources. In some ways, we as parents can help them manage their homework effectively. However, in some instances, we as parents should also note that we should not help our children too much. We should provide space for them to manage their own homework and gain experience. Thus, they can be more independent and more effective in managing homework. Maybe that's my answer.
Thank you, Miss Sulastri, for your answer.
maybe Miss Keja, any question?
To Miss Mala, no?
Yeah.
So, as Miss Mala say, um, that homework can, if we give the homework to students, so the students would not be lazy, right? So they got the reinforcement of learning. So I would like to ask to Miss Mala. So how do we approach homework assignment to maximize their effectiveness without overwhelming students? So it means we give students the homework. It's a good idea, but how do we approach the homework assignment so that the students do not feel overwhelming? Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you for the question, Miss Kezia. Miss Mala, can you answer?
I think that is more effective because for giving homework, if the teacher give it too much, the student did not do it. I think that is my answer.
Okay. Thank you very much for answering the question, Miss Mala.
I want to ask for the panelists, maybe to my question is for Miss Afri. Miss Afri, what do you think about what do you think of the impact does homework have on academic of student performance, student academic performance? The impact
Okay, thanks.
of you said that you disagree giving too much homework. That how can we improve student performance if we don't give homework to them? Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Miss Edina. I try to answer your question. And giving much homework, no impact to academic achievement of the student, because when we want to improve academic achievement from the student, maybe we can do practical skill like I told you just now. Maybe we give them a practical skill, like maybe we give them uh, handicraft or making something that they practice, so that they can do homework while playing. For example, uh, we teach students about the conversation, giving maybe like introduction. Maybe the student can do homework by making their video. Maybe how they introduce themselves, and how they communicate with their parents or their brother or sister at home. Maybe they can make a video. So I think that will be good, because it make our explanation at school will be more clear, because students practice directly what they have got from school. I think like that, Miss.
Thank you.
And the question from the audience and the panelists. I hope that the discussion can give you some the information that you want to ask. Yeah. And if there's any panelists that want to add another opinions from the for the discussion, Miss Afri, perhaps.
Yes, I want to add some more addition. Okay. Uh, I think when we tell about educational system, we can take example from a country, Finlandia. It is the best educational system in the world. They have a system that give the student more relaxed environment. For example, um they just have less hour at school, maybe about a couple of classes at school, and then the student spend their time in their family, and their family have a role in giving more relaxed environment, like parents teach the children about a culture or environment, or about emotional and moral education. So the role of parents is also take place in the educational of children at home. I think that's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Ibu Afri. I will add a little to it. I think for choosing homework is also very important to determine material that will be treated at home by student. It might be able to use social approach and add material to student. Need more socialists in environment for more real activities. I think that is all for me.
Okay, thank you for another opinion. Very helpful for the discussion for today about the homework for elementary school students. Yeah. Okay, thank you for sharing everyone insight today. It is clear that from today's discussion, the homework is for students, especially in elementary schools, can be a burden for the students, especially making them lazy, making them didn't have an extra energy to focus on their class. But also a parent that homework is helpful for them, and we will need the collaboration from the teachers and the schools and the parents, so we can build an effective methods of giving students a homework that more efficient. Maybe that's all for today's discussion. Thank you very much for everyone participation. I hope we can have another discussion in another time. Thank you very much.
Thank you, moderator.